Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you one of my absolute favourite recipes, and it's so quick and easy but super delicious, and that is salted caramel. So let's get started. I'm going to start today by adding 100 grams of caster sugar to my saucepan, and to that I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of water. And give that a quick mix. And then I'm going to put this over a medium heat, and that's probably going to cook for about 6 to 8 minutes, and we're going to wait for it to get to a golden brown, like an amber colour, and then we're going to add our cream to turn into caramel. While you are cooking the sugar, you don't want to stir it because that can end up crystallising the sugar, so just leave it alone. So at this stage, most of the water is evaporated and it's not really steaming very much anymore. So now the sugar will start to cook, and you've got to keep your eyes on it the whole time. And we're looking for a lovely golden brown amber sort of colour. If it goes darker than that, it could be burnt. And if you don't get it quite dark enough, it won't have the right flavour. So I can see now, and I'm not sure the camera's picking up, I'm just trying to get a little bit of yellow colour here in the centre. And you can start to smell the sugar cooking. You really start to smell the sugar now. It's like being in the fair. Right, that's enough colour, so we're going to take that off. And quite quickly we want to add our cream. And I forgot to mention, there is a little teaspoon of vanilla extract that I had in my cream. I just like to flavour mine with a little bit of vanilla. That's the caramel all made, and we just need to make it salty now. And I've got a teaspoon of sea salt flakes in here, and I like the little bit of crunch that they give, so I'm just going to put those in. So I'm going to pour this now into my jar that I've got waiting. Ooh, tips. To cool, and then we can come back and have a taste. So I'm probably coming back to taste this just a little bit too soon. It's still quite hot and runny. Who can resist? Oh my god, it's so tasty. This is absolutely delicious if you want to put it on ice cream, or I really like to use it with cake. I make my chocolate Snickers cake with peanut butter buttercream with this salted caramel. Or, if so inclined, you could just keep it in the fridge and have a spoon every so often. Definitely will bring joy to your life. Thanks very much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed the video today. If you did, if you could leave me a thumbs up. And if you want to see any more of my videos, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. The recipe, as always, will be down below. And if you do have any questions or comments, please leave them for me. I love reading what you've got to say. Thanks very much, and I will see you next week. Bye bye.